is a definition, is a well-defined instructions, a defined step-by-step list of instructions for solving a specific problem. So notations means the representation of algorithmic steps. Okay, so the various algorithmic notations are availed here. Number one, to identify the number. The number two, for steps, control and exit. Steps, control and exit. The next thing is for comments. In the algorithm, it is like a program, so we can include the comments. Then moreover, we have to specify the variable names. Then assignment statement. Then input and output. The last one is the procedure. Since all the algorithm steps are only based on the procedure. So here there is some list of terms involved in the algorithm. So that terms are involved for identifying the number. For identifying the number, you have to specify the algorithm as a letter P as a problem. Identify the number. For example, the problem as a P. Here P denotes the problem statement. Okay. The next example, they are using the controls, steps and exit. So the steps are defined like that. So step by step, beginning with the step 1, otherwise you have to follow the control by the go to statement. Like example, here the first one is identifying the number. Identify the number. Okay, identify the number. The next thing, how to define this identify the number. Here there is an example algorithm. Define the problem P. Okay, define the problem P. Next thing is steps, control and exit. Suppose if the algorithm is start with the term as begin, is a term begin as a step 1. step 1. Okay, then the algorithm, next step 2, define the variables or declare the variables or variable definition. Variable definition. Step number 3, some set of processing instructions. Some set of processing instructions. Then step number 4, display some results. Display some results. Then step number 5 is exit. Step number 5 is exit. Is over. So here begin variable definition, set of processing instructions, display some results, then exit. Okay, steps. So this is the definition for steps. This is a definition for steps. How the steps are defined by the numbers. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, then step number 4, step number 3 and step number 4 and 5. This is a simple example for the steps. Now I will give a example algorithm steps for this particular program or any example. Okay, here we are giving the step number 1. Okay, here we are giving the step number 1. We just design. So here the elementary array, so n number of numerical values to find the location and the value maximum of the largest element of the data. Okay, in this example algorithm, to find the maximum number of array, maximum number of an array and find its location. This is the aim of the algorithm. Algorithm to find the maximum number of array, max number, that means maximum number, the highest or largest number. Here the meaning is large number. The meaning is large number. Okay. Yeah, you have to find the location. So algorithm step number 1. Step number 1, initialize. Initialize, set k is equal to 1, location LOC that is equal to 1. Here the representation, assignment representation. So the last time, this is the assignment representation. It is not equal to colon equal to. In the algorithm, we got to specify the assignment statement by colon equal to. And the maximum number that is equal to initialize data of 1. Here k LOC max comma data of size or variables or variables. Okay. So aim is algorithm to find the maximum number of or largest number of an array and find its location. This is the assignment notation of algorithm. Assignment notation of algorithm. There is a list of notation. There is the assignment statement. The assignment statement example here I just give an example. K that is equal to 1 is equal to is varied when compared to normal equal to colon follow with equal to symbol colon equal to symbol. Okay, now step number 1 is over. I just intimate what are the variables are involved in this particular step. I just initialize the variable of K as index value, then location as a 1, then maximum. I just initialize the maximum value of data at position 1. Here K as a counter variable. Step number 2. Step number 2, increment the counter. Increment the counter. Here counter variable K is equal to K plus 1 by 1 step. One time increment பண்ணனும்னு சொல்றாங்க. The definition is K is equal to K plus 1. Okay. Step number 3 is a processing increment பண்றீங்க. This is a process. Okay. Here we are moving with the test the counter variable. Test the counter variable K. The statement, looping statement, control statement, if the K value is greater than n, then colon, okay, write location LOC, then max and exit if you are giving the program, you have to give example for C language or C++ or Java, you have to specify the open parenthesis, open brace and close brace. Okay, but in the algorithm you can write the statement like this, like a single statement. Okay, the next step number 4, we have to compare which one is the maximum. The step number 4 as a compare and update. So you have to compare the maximum value, then you have to update. If max is less than data of K as an index value, then colon, okay, colon, set the location that is equal to K, location that is equal to K, and max is that is equal to, you have to assigning the max is that is equal to data of K, since the data of K is greater than maximum value. Before that we are initializing the value maximum value that is equal to data of 1. Now we are comparing the element max, okay, is less than data of K. We are reading the next character by incrementing the K value. Okay, so here read the value one by one by using the index counter variable. The counter variable as a index. Okay, then you got to repeat the loop. Okay, you got to follow the step number 3 and 4 up to step number 2, increment text condition. Then we have to use the repeat the loop number 5, repeat loop, repeat loop, go to step number 2. Then step number 5, then 6, that is end. Step number 6 as a end. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Here in this example, we are giving the algorithm to find the maximum number of an array or largest number of an array and find this location. We got to find the location of the largest number which is available inside the array. First step is you have to initialize the variable by set the variable k as a counter variable, then location LOC as a location, and you have to finalize the max as a variable or assigning the value of data of 1. The first element is assigned as a maximum value, that is initialize. Then you have to processing the step number 2. You have to increment the counter 1 by 1 step. So k is equal to k plus 1. This is the assignment notation. This is the assignment notation. This is also a assignment notation. This is also a assignment notation. Colon equal to is used to represent the assignment notation. This is the control section. This is control section. If k is greater than n is a condition. If the condition is true means you got to write the location LOC maximum of the array and exit. You have to exit from the loop. If you are finding the count of maximum number is greater than n means you have to exit from that particular loop statement. They are initialize the value k is equal to 1. There is n number of elements. So here n denotes the total number of elements in an array. Total number of elements in an array. Okay. We are using the step number 4. We have to compare the maximum value with the current value. Suppose to be in this example here k is equal to 1 as a maximum value. Here increment after incrementation of the k is equal to k plus 1, the value will be changed as k of 2. So in this particular position they are comparing. This is algorithmic analysis. Okay, here data of 2. Already we are assigning the value maximum as a data of 1. They are comparing. If the second element is maximum compared with 1, you have to assign the location and the maximum value, the location as a k and maximum of data, maximum that is equal to, the maximum that is equal to data of k. So in this example, here we are giving the second position value will be assigned as a maximum value. Supposed to be, if the condition is false means you have to move to step number 5, repeat the loop, start with k is equal to k plus 1. So the third element is compared with 1, again first element, not interchange. Supposed to be this is true, then step number, follow the step, then complete. The next step number 5, next move to k is equal to k plus 1. So this is repeated up to this condition. So write the location, maximum and exit. Here the step number 3 is the finalized one. If the reach the maximum number of element as a index value. Okay. So this is a example for the notations. This is a example for some notation. These are simple algorithmic steps. Simple algorithmic steps. Okay. The commands. So the commands indicate by the bracket. Here commands, in this example I will denote the commands. In this example, initialize is a command. Initialize is a command. Okay, initialize as a command. Then step number 2, increment the variable. Increment the variable, counter variable by one time. This is a command. This is an expression. Then step number 3, test the counter variable k. This is a command. Then step number 4, compare and update. That is a command. Then step number 5, that is a repeat loop. Okay. So these are the commands. These statements are commands. Commands. So the next one, the variable names. Here k, location, maximum, the data. These are all the variable names. These are all the variable names. Okay. Then input and output. Input and output by the statement of read and write. The next one supposed to be, you are read the value by the read statement. You are reading the value by read statement. The basic input output of algorithm, input and output. Okay, input by read, output by write, colon, right, colon. Okay, right, colon. Read statement, here read colon the variable name. Okay, then write colon message. You can display the message, or and or you can display the variable names, results. Okay, variable names, results. You can give a read by the variable name, then write the message or variable names as a results. Okay. Then procedure. The procedure as a module. Okay. The term procedure will be used for an independent algorithmic model which solves a particular problem. Okay. The next term is the procedure. The next term is the procedure. This is independent algorithmic module. The independent algorithmic module. So the algorithm is split into some set of procedures. Okay. So the term procedure as a independent algorithmic model for solving specific task or problem. That's all about the terms which is involved in the algorithmic notations. Okay. So here I finish the topic. the algorithmic notations. In the algorithmic notations, they are giving the representation of the algorithmic steps or algorithmic procedures or algorithmic instructions. How the instructions are represented by the terms. The terms are identifying the numbers, steps, control and exit, command, commands. In the programming language, commands are the non-executable codes. Like that, the algorithmic, the what is that? Executable, non-executable, well-defined instruction, command. Commands means what? The commander, you got to execute, process, initialize, compute, update, add. These are all the commands. Okay. Then variable names, the variables as identifiers to define the variable or accessing the value for the variable name as an alphabetical term, which is capital letters or the small letters. Though in specifically we are using the variable names in the uppercase letters. Then assignment statement. The assignment statement is always the assigning the variable by using equal to symbol in the normal way. But in the algorithmic model or algorithmic model, you are assigning the variable by colon and equal to symbol. That is equal to. That implies equal to in algorithmic model. Then input and output. For the input and output, they are giving the statement of input output by the read and write method. For input and output, they are giving the read and write method. Read the variable name is a syntax, then write message and or. Either or. You are giving the message or display some results by using the variable name. Then procedure as an independent algorithmic model for specific solving the specific task or particular problem. Okay, so that's all about the algorithmic notations. But this example, they are giving the task, the specific problem in the sense you are finding the largest number of an array. You are finding the largest number of an array, then find its location. For maximum as a variable name, the location as a variable name. For counter variable k, then data as an array. Okay, so these are the 4 variables used here by using the alphabetical characters. The initializer as a command, then increment the counter variable as a command, then test the counter variable k as a command. If the limit is over, then exit. Before exit, you have to write the results by using write method. Here we are using the write method as a input. So you have to specify the colon. Write the values of location and maximum number. Write the location and maximum. This is a aim. Then you got to compare and update. You got to compare the variable by using the if statement. So this is a compare statement. This is a condition as a control. As a condition as a control. If it is a condition is true means you got to change the location and change the maximum value. Okay, that's all. According to this particular example program or example algorithm, so these steps are followed. Up to the condition, end of the number, madam reach the maximum number of elements. Okay, so once again I repeat the topic. So algorithmic notations are to find the identifying the number, then steps and control exit, then commands, then variable names, assignment statement, input output and procedure. So that's all about